Abo ayi osofo pamabaka asam no bae no na ebibia na ano ehpa na moma yenhwe video no sana papa na sikasa fae no na yehu sade na yere ampa yenhwe osofo pamabaka afutu adema tibi owum ene afutu adema.
My dear ones, this is just a video shot from the recovery garden at the East Infectious Disease Center, where I am undergoing treatment for COVID-19. I just thought sending this message out to those of you who are my loved ones, at least will let you know I've survived it for 5 days, and therefore I encourage anybody who is afflicted not to be afraid, because yes, COVID is real, but healing is equally real if we will do the best. My advice is what I call the 3 P's: prayer, protocols, and prayer. And you can add 2 more to it, and protocols and prayer, so it becomes 5. Let us continue praying, thanking God for the doctors, the nurses, the frontline workers, and the great good job they are doing. They are really stretched out and stressed out. They need our prayerful support, love, and concern for themselves and for anything God can help them to do. Number 2, let us continue to pray for those who are patients like myself, a privileged one. May God take our impatience even as prayer and bring us healing. But I must say, with a lot of patience, we will do well and we shall overcome whatever the sickness is about. Number 3, I like us to pray for all Ghanaian citizens and to plead with them. COVID is real. They should observe the health protocols as religiously as possible. We should not take things for granted. God helps those who help